In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store with the Cookie Yes GDPR cookie banner. This easy-to-use app is a great way to ensure your online store complies with GDPR regulations by enabling a clear and customizable cookie consent banner. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that even if you're new to this, you'll be able to set it up effortlessly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your online store. It's from here that you can manage everything from inventory to payments, and today, the App Store is where we're heading next. The Shopify App Store is a valuable resource for expanding the capabilities of your store, offering a vast array of apps to enhance both the functionality and the experience for your customers. Let's search for the Cookie Yes GDPR cookie banner. In the search bar, simply type Cookie Yes GDPR cookie banner and hit enter. When the app appears in your search results, click on it to proceed to the app's page. Taking a moment to explore the app's page can be beneficial, as this is where you'll get more detailed insights into the app, such as user reviews and a rundown of its features. Once you're ready and verified that it suits your needs, you're going to click on the Install button. This will start the installation process. Shopify might ask you to approve certain permissions that the app needs to function properly. Make sure you read through these, and if everything aligns with your requirements, go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. Once the installation is complete, the Cookie Yes GDPR cookie banner will be integrated into your Shopify store. It's really that simple, and now your website is better equipped to handle GDPR compliance regarding cookies. The banner itself is customizable, allowing you to tailor the message and appearance to match the aesthetics of your site, providing a seamless experience for your visitors. Remember, maintaining compliance with legal standards is not just about following the law. It's also about building trust with your customers by being transparent about how their data is handled. By using tools like the Cookie Yes GDPR cookie banner, you're taking the necessary steps to protect both your business and your customers. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. We hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for enhancing your Shopify store with GDPR compliance. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to explore more of our videos or reach out to the support team. Happy selling, and until next time.